Always wanting to do this. Good morning, Vietnam! Shit.
This train is located in the Old Quarter of Hanoi. To actually get onto the tracks, you can only get here from one side or the other, but you have to have a guide because damn, these trains are really, really close. And obviously, they haven't got the health and safety rules that we've got in the UK. So make your way here. You can get yourself a nice little coffee. I'm going to put over this what time the trains come because it's about 7 a day, but you've got to give it a go. It's freaking unreal. There's actually 5 million mopeds in Hanoi with a population of 7 million. This is Vietnam's famous sandwich, the Banh Mi. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally get them from anywhere and anywhere. Basically, it's a sandwich. You can get them with pork, beef or chicken. They're laced with carrots and cucumber, and they vary from about £1 to £1.10.
Okay, this is Hanoi's most famous coffee. It was actually invented in the 1940s by a barman who just simply run out of milk. So he just whisked an egg and become very popular. Oh, look at that. I'm an addict. I'm actually addicted to this.
Hanoi, in the Old Quarter, there is loads to do. You've got loads and loads of cathedrals, you've got the old prison, there's loads of that kind of thing, but you know us, we're templed out, we're churched out, so we are today just doing a coffee run. We just sightseeing, we just window shopping, we just people watching, so that's what we're doing for the rest of the day. We are, however, meeting up with some cracking Australians that we've just met earlier, and we're going to go and show you Hanoi, the Old Quarter by night. Do you know what the best thing about Vietnam is? Nothing's been compromised for tourism. The culture is still so evident. Everywhere you go, you get people from all ages, you get people from all classes, meaning you got the ones in the posh business suits, you got the little old lady there, they're all sitting on the streets and they're still eating the way they have done for years and years and years. Accommodation, we're paying $15 a night because we've got a luxury, but the best place you guys can stay is in the Old Quarter.
You know what the second best thing is about Hanoi?
If he says friggin' egg coffee or one more time.
It's cheap.
It is. It is really cheap. Right now we're on the hunt for, what's this dish called, babes?
It's called the Banh Cha.
The Banh Cha. I don't know what that is. He does. Traffic is friggin' metal.
Yeah, up here we go, I think.
Another trick, keep your GPS on. It's a very big, small place, if that makes sense. Bit of an oxymoron there. Oh Jesus, we got to cross this road. Peace, man. It's amazing how many of the street vendors on the bikes. I mean, look at this one. This is the hat lady. It's a heavy graft if you're pushing that round all day. The only thing I push around today is him. It's not as busy as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be absolutely rammed, but you know what? It's not. Not many dogs, no cows, haven't heard that many chickens.
Okay, so we come to the Banh Chai Tar, and this is meant to be Hanoi's most famous dish, is that correct?
I think it is. Right, let me move you guys so you can see. Right, what this is you get your bowl of soup, pure ring stinger style. You've got your garlic, and most importantly your chilli. Okay, now you add your noodles. I've got tofu and tomato. Scott's gone with the beef. You add it to your broth and you just wolf it down. So let's do this.
Try it out.
You guys know that we're called the ring stingers, and you know how much we moan that we can't get chilies, but can you see this sweat? These are the hottest chilies we've ever had in our life. She did warn us they'll make us cry. But the worst thing is we put about 2,000 in our bowls thinking we were being really smug. Oh, that toilet roll's going in the fridge tonight. What is it?
Hot. This is this is the hottest dish I've had since we left the UK. I'm in tears.
I'm
going to try 2 at once. Shall I go for it?
Brass balls today. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Is that burning your vagina?
It's creeping. It's creeping.
I think I've just lost my coolness now. My street cred's gone because them chilies. I think the Vietnamese chili is actually harvested in hell. Unreal. Anyway.
We found it, didn't we? In the end, we found it.
Oh. So what time is it now? It's about 5:30.
Home, shower, pub street.
Deal. Get your glad rags on, guys, because you're coming with us.
Twice I've been offered puff.
Twice
I've been offered dope.
Guys, if you get offered marijuana over here, 9 times out of 10 it's a trap. Do not do it. Right then, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen.
Bring your mic on with that in the background.
No, it's fine. We're eating again. Don't ask me where we are. We're somewhere in the Old Quarter. Mr. Ringsting, what have you had?
We've been recommended it by a couple we've met from Victoria, Australia. So it's going to be their fault if we're ill in the morning. I've got the pork and chicken stir-fry mix.
Okay. What do we have here?
We've got beef, chicken and fried rice.
Very nice. And is it nice?
It tastes good.
Do you reckon it'll give you a bit of ring sting?
Maybe. Maybe.
And here we have
And
got
what are you eating?
Hanoi beer.
Oh, wow, there we go. I think you're winning out of all of us. And guys, I'm going through a vegetarian stage again. We've got, this is actually tofu. It looks like egg.
It's so good.
Again, when you're in Vietnam, it's all about the pho. So, what the pho? Guys,
It's a massive
you go hard or you go home. We've had some more food, don't judge me. Okay, so, pork, some kind of wrap, the dip, but I'm under the impression that you dip that into that, and it's chili and it's garlic, and we're travelling tomorrow, so arsehole like the flag of Japan.
Toilet rolls going in the fridge.
So the next day we did actually go for a mooch round Hanoi. The French Quarter is very, very pretty. Very, very picturesque for all you selfie lovers out there. I mean, look at this. Yeah, it does get a little bit mobbed at times. But guys, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button because this is us going on a boat and we are going to Cat Bar. His and hers hoodies. How freaking cool do we look?